Have you ever wondered what the largest snake in the world is? For many, snakes evoke strong feelings, fascination for some, pure fear for others. But when it comes to the giants, curiosity is unavoidable. Is there really a snake that breaks all records? Today we're diving into the incredible story of Medusa, the largest living snake ever officially recorded on the planet. Who is Medusa? Medusa is a reticulated python, Python reticulatus, a species native to Southeast Asia, famous not only for its size but also for its strength and beauty. What makes Medusa special is her world record. She was officially measured at an astonishing 25.2 feet, 7.67 meters, long and weighing over 350 pounds, 158 kilograms. This achievement was recorded in 2011 by the Guinness World Records, and since then no other captive snake has surpassed her. Today, Medusa lives in Kansas City, USA, where she is the star attraction of a well-known haunted house. She remains healthy, and since pythons can continue growing throughout much of their lives, she may be even bigger now. What does a snake this size eat? Medusa's diet is worthy of a true giant. She feeds on rabbits, pigs, and even large rodents, with meals served every 2 weeks. This impressive appetite is essential to maintain her colossal size. Are there bigger snakes in the wild? Although there are reports of even longer snakes, some claiming lengths of 40 to 50 feet, 12 to 15 meters, none of these cases have been officially verified. Many of these stories come from unconfirmed sightings or popular exaggerations. In the wild, it's extremely difficult to measure a snake of that size without risking harm to the animal. That's why Medusa remains the official world record holder. Medusa was last officially measured in 2011 but is still alive and well, being one of the most famous attractions in her Kansas City home. No official records have surpassed her size as of 2025. Reticulated pythons continue to fascinate researchers and enthusiasts alike, but specimens of this size are extremely rare. What about you? Did you already know Medusa's story? Do you have any interesting tales about giant snakes? Share them in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife facts. See you in the next video.